Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. Good morning, good morning. I think, guys, I have bees coming in the garden. I think pretty soon I'm going to have syrup, guys. Can you guys identify what kind of bees is that? It's a lot of them. I don't know if they're here because of this flower, because it's not the first time. This flower has been blooming repeatedly, like all the time. But now I heard the noise of boom. They look like that's not the one who can bite you and whatever kill you. Those are the one look like the syrup one. I'm trying to catch one. They move fast. Do not come for me. Do not come for me. Guys, they are the one like the syrup who will give me the syrup. I need to learn. They are everywhere in these flowers, guys. And guys, can you guys give me permission to go? Because I'm going on there. Oh, Jesus. I don't want to get bite this morning because I got stuff to do in the garden. Oh, Lord, pray for me, friend. If they bite me, they're going to bite me in my neck. Oh, wow. It's like, did you guys hear them? Whoa. The smell, I don't know if the smell, look at how beautiful is that flower. Oof. All right, friends, I'm gonna let you guys know because I'm going to move this mango tree. This mango tree have to go on the other side of the garden. But I love seeing this mango tree right here. But she needs to go because if she have more sun, she will get more bigger. But over there, the house give her too much shade. She have to leave. Oh my God, everything looks so nice over here. Oh, I'm going to the fourth garden to work because I have to pet some pets.